Are you annoyed with the Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library DLL failure blocking your code instructions? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's restore that vital system connection right now. Before we start the Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library, the Unicode and debug variant of the MFC runtime for the Visual Studio 2013 toolset, used primarily by engineering or CAD software built with debug symbols. If missing, applications compiled against debug configurations may fail to start due to unresolved runtime dependencies. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The professional protocol for this error is a fresh installation of Microsoft Visual C++. Navigate to the Microsoft site to download the Visual C++ redistributable packages for x86 and x64, then complete both installations. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library environment. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Microsoft Foundation Class 120 Unicode Debug Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.